All right, we live. Way later than I wanted, but we're here. We had yesterday, had some fun with the guitar. Was able to play Worm with the Worm. Oh my god, not the Worms. Though Worms would be fun with the guitar. Trying to get some precision. Playing Snake with the guitar, and I'll continue that soon. But today there's a different goal and maybe a shorter stream. But at least we have a decent goal, which is we're gonna try streaming from this a little bit. We're gonna have like a second stream to go remotely and try to play chess with voice commands, which kind of matches on what we were doing before. Where is it? So this was what we did yesterday. I think someone said like mountain drawing stream. Basically, this was trying to use my guitar as a controller, which we got. We had the input, and then that processed the audio, and then had a map in the controller, which we're able to get it working. Where is the... Oh, there's just the thumbnail. What the heck? How do I see that short? How do I get the link? What is happening here? Where is the link to that short? There we go. Damn it, kind of hard to see. Oh no, we had the video. Let me get it. Here it is. Why does OBS take so long to get the windows updated? This is from yesterday. We were playing. We had the guitar connected, okay, and acting as the controller. Though I did see that the microphone was probably filtering out the guitar too much, and it was very quiet. So I may need to pipe that into another command or control, not command, like another microphone. The biggest issue with that was this onset here. So the peak at a random note was like too variable. So once it hits the note, it kind of like has like auto overtones. So it is hard to define once it is on the peak. So we need to get the onset, which is as it's going down. It's the note that it has settled, and that is very variable. So there was some unknown or like variable delay that I guess didn't work the best for not the best for Snake, at least. But that's what we have. I'll try some other. I'll have some other experience another time. But for now, we'll be moving on. Wait. Can I expand this canvas more? Nah. Oh, there it is. Man, this is the best app I have found in my life. Like an online paint, like traditional paint. I did some damage on this when I was a kid. This is when Microsoft still created good stuff. Okay, I think I can delete all of these. There's outdated stuff. So, okay, the goal for tonight. I already done this once, or it wasn't perfect. So we have the camera video. Then this is the restream server, RTMP server. And then video source. And audio source. Oh, not just video, and audio. Well, I guess we'll capture. Audio capture and audio processing. Audio processing. This will have oh my god. We're gonna have transcriber. Which will map into commands. So wait. Wonderful UML. So basically the camera video should be very straightforward. It gets this RTMP into this restream server. This will be on the cloud. How do we make a cloud? Oh boy. This will be on, I'll be hosting this server on the cloud. Then I have my video source. This will be on my local PC. No, we're literally just going to be reading from this video source. Reads from our TMP server. Creates the video canvas. Creates the video canvas. And then we extract the audio. Or listen to it. Well, we also have the video, I guess. OBS video. to OBS here, but then we listen to the audio processing. Oh, okay. We do need like a... Yeah, I'm gonna need to have the input or something from it. This audio processing is going to need to get into like a virtual device. Virtual device, virtual audio device. And then transcribes, listens for command, and then of course send the commands. And then this command is gonna need to play from my computer. Commands and streaming computer. We'll have to... That's the hard part that I remember it took me a little bit. Get chess.com. So chess.com, it had... Oh, what's up, Cupcake? That sounded kind of like... I'm sorry. That sounded like... Oh, hello, Cupcake. I don't know, like Harley Quinn talks to Joker or something. I'm sorry. So tomorrow I'm finally gonna be doing my chess cycling. I'm sorry. Okay, so the chat's kind of... Man, I lost my I lost the stream configurations. Things might be rolling around a little bit. I need to fix the layovers and stuff. Okay, so I'm basically going over the setup and try to figure out how I can play chess using my GoPro. So I remember the biggest problem that I had before is that chess.com, it was really hard to automate because it had a canvas over the click, so an automated script could not just find the positions. I guess that is the protection against bots. It's they transcribe the chess canvas in a funny way, and how the HTML elements are. So I remember not being super straightforward. So, the way that I worked it out was to get the position, the piece positions on the screen, and then force a click. Although I did have two solutions for it, I do not remember the second one. Mostly because the first one I programmed before Claude Code existed. The second I used an extension, and it was not remotely, so I need to figure that out. So here you need to guess that chess.com tab, and then we'll experiment. Questions. Can you manually move the pieces? If not, need to read screen and simulate mouse click. Okay, this is way more pieces than yesterday. And it actually sounds harder than the playing Snake with my guitar. think that's it. But today I'm not restricting myself to, not using Claude or Claude Code or anything like that. Wait. Oh. Huh. Is my server outdated? Did something? Hold on. Hopefully this is not gonna break the stream. Okay, it didn't break, but there's something off with my server. Okay, not like I have forever, so we'll just go. So, okay, I need to check. I'm gonna be doing a quick check here on my Windows. Let me just check if my VS Code is correct. This is my streaming repo with all the features from my stream. And there's a couple of them that are probably outdated. Then I had this, no, not music controller. Do I not have? No, this is for Hades. Game hacks, fitness overlay, chat overlay. Voice chats or voice commands. I think this was the most up-to-date one that I had. All right, now we start actually doing some stuff. Oh, whoops! Forgot this may show some information. That was close. When Claude opens, there's I think shows my email and name and a few things. Huh, wait, didn't show up this time? Oh. Okay. All right, we're in. 'Cause I think the voice, no, the voice engine was I think this was the failed one that I had. I had a few attempts and I should have kept better track of it. Okay, you got voice commands and voice chess. Source, I had this main. We do have the driver. I think I did. Maybe I was able to get it working without the forced manual. Okay, I reviewed both chess implementation. Neither is currently functional for actually playing a remote game. They're prototypes with debug leftovers, of course. Voice commands. Yeah, I think this was the struggle. Browser handler make move ignores it at arguments entirely. It's hard coded to always click. This is probably the test. It was hard coded because I was probably trying to. I was testing this move. No matter what you move say, square exists to convert real notation, but it's never called. Or maybe that was just testing. Same hard-coded end-to-end click sequence. The Chrome profile path is stale for this machine. Okay, that was for my other machine. Then we have the piece caller. Okay, voice chess. Edge. We're using Microsoft Edge for this to work. Manual coordinate calibration, meant to be reliable. Yeah, so I think this was the one that it maps to the screen. Calls test coordinate, click coordinates after calibration. This clicks through all 64 squares. Oh my god, I remember this. Like, it had a calibration moment that the mouse would just go through every single square. Looks like leftover debug code in the production path. It would misclick during actual game. Calibration return values are mislabeled, which happens to work on arithmetic. On exit loop, okay, bottom line. Voice commands chest control doesn't actually respond to spoken moves at all. Right now, always plays. What matters is if it is playing, making the voice, that's the easiest part. Voice chest would technically respond to moves via coordinates, but a leftover full board test click routine needs removing before it's safe to use in a live game. Wire square class from notation to make move for real. Fix piece caller profile path issue. Okay. Yeah, I want to do. Okay, let's do both in parallel. And then we can test a few things out. I wish. Oh my god. I think this is code that I actually like. F wrote. This was definitely before Claude code existed. But I think I might have used ChatGPT to write some of it. I was kind of proud when I got it working. Basically, you had the chessboard and then this is the chessboard. Before we start the game, I would go and click. Click and then calibrate. By automating every single piece click. And then we got the coordinates and then just simulated the click. So that should be fine for this. Okay, what did we do here? Claude. This is correct now. Browser is now in a finding block. The remaining diagnostics type pre-existing and solved imports. Pylance, okay. Both files look correct now. Summary of what I fixed. Voice commands browser handle. No. Okay, from square to square instead of always replaying the code. Remove the leftover startup. So there's just debug situations, but I'm not sure if it's working. Fix the missing pyget window import. Click square. Okay. Now I had automated tests. I can't run Selenium Flow headless here. It needs a real browser, but it's logged in chess. We don't need the chess.com. We can test out with bots. Plus a live board on screen. So I'd recommend you do a smoke test. Run off the entry points. Okay, which input is it taking audio from? Let me set up a browser. I don't think I even have, oh my god, I don't have Chrome on this. Oh my god, I don't have Chrome on this machine. Which makes speech recognition grab whatever Windows has set as the default recording device at the OS level. Okay, we can try it out. Nothing imports listener device. Same story of chess, no device selection, just the system default. That's okay because I need to rewire this myself. So whichever mic set as your default recording device. Windows sound settings, okay. Okay. Combine goes and play guitar with my voice? What do you mean? You want me to be like Jack Black? Like... If you watch Tenacious D, I hope you know this reference. I'm sorry, I'm not sure what you meant by play guitar with my voice. So whichever mic is set as default. For now. And maybe I will download Chrome just for the sake of it. Yep. The classical when J-Bos meets Cage. I'm so well, yeah. When I was younger, I was so much into Tenacious D. I went to their concert when the Phoenix album, and they had on stage they had a giant dick that was shaped like a phoenix. Stick to what's already right. Hard coded to Chrome web. Okay, so I need Chrome. Downloading Chrome. Do I need to sign up to use Chrome, or can I just have temporary stuff? A web driver should have Firefox, no? As is. And one is hard-coded to Edge. Neither has Firefox support today. That means swapping WebDriver Firefox, again, the driver, not. But it's extra work for no benefit. I mean, stay signed out. Okay, I can stay signed out. Do not set as default. There we go. Let me just get to chess.com and then we can play bots, and I'll share the screen once it's done. Okay. The script for me, and let's start with the voice commands. The script so I can test. Whoa! My monitor just went kaboom for a little bit. We're speaking of music. I really need to fix my. I was thinking of having like a command on stream to, so people could add songs to the streaming set list. But then it's more stuff for me that like to approve on my dashboard. Okay. Before running, the repo has a start Chrome for launching Chrome with remote debugging. I don't need this now. Suggest the original approach was to attack. I'm pretty sure this is the one that I got it working on the very flaky way. Attach Selenium already open. Already logged in Chrome rather than have Selenium watch a fresh copy of the real profile, which Chrome often refuses. The profile is already open elsewhere. This is the one where we're just doing simulated clicks instead of manipulating chess.com. And I do not remember if I got the chess.com manipulation working. The current browser handler doesn't use that debug attach path though. It launches a new Chrome. To be honest, the best way that I got it working was with I had an extension that I could play chess on chess.com with my voice. That was the best. Oof. Oh, now it's struggling with environments. Okay, so I do need to get my GCP server here. We're gonna get it on GCP. It'll be like $3 or something like that, which I can deactivate. That'll be fine. The problem now here is the let me get like a maybe I can have a to-do list. It's funny saying to-do list because my interview today was making a to-do list. And I completely, I think I bombed because I forgot what the heck UTC was. I was very sad about that. Whoa, okay, it's launching stuff. What's happening here? Yeah, UTC like time zone. So basically he was testing me about like, hey, what would happen like if there was a due date on the to-dos, like how would I handle time zones and all of that. And I just explained how UTC worked, but I forgot to like mention like, oh, you just said it in UTC. And then I just blabbed for 5 minutes about how it worked, or like how to implement UTC. And then at the end he was just like, yeah, I think the word you're looking for is just to use UTC. And I'm like, shit. That was a total fail. In my opinion. Mostly because of the way I reacted. I mean, you're not there. It was kind of like the way I was explaining, you know? Like it was like I was like I obviously forgot that like about UTC, and I was just rebuilding it, which I'm not sure if that counts. But it's mostly because, you know, interviewing nowadays, it's like you gotta be perfect in everything. Yeah, yeah, basically we invented time zones, you know, like what if they ask me like, hey, like a more obvious question, and you're just going like, I don't know, you're reinventing console.log. You're like, oh, how are you gonna debug this? And I'm like, oh, first I'm gonna create this library that is gonna have access to the terminal, and then string there or something like that. That's kind of how I felt, because I obviously forgot of the possibility of just using the basic stuff, you know. Start Chrome window should have open using fresh debug profile. You need to log into chess.com. You don't need to log in. Just use a bot match as a test. Also, yeah, tomorrow I'm going to this new Korean barbecue on the east side. So my goal is to. This means cycling. Wait, let me adjust the chat. I really need to fix chat. Wait. Oh shit. Did I fuck up? No, it's it's the order that the chat messages are coming. That it's messed up. It's not just the stack is off, and it's hard to fix it live because it's on my streaming server. So if I need to fix it, the stream is not gonna drop, but all the functionality will. Anyway, so my plan is to bike to the Korean barbecue, and then I want to play chess while I bike there, and that'll be my test drive before my chess cyclothon. Also, I got a computer cat bed that it's unfortunately doesn't reach the camera, but there's a cat bed like right here, like a standing cat bed. Oh wait, did I fuck up? Oh, I think I did fuck up. Background, wait for chess.com page load finish, yes. Hold on, I need to fix. Oh, man, I don't have extensions, so I'll be on the mercy of the ads and shit on the corner. It's chess.com, should be fine, right? Okay, what happened? Wait for chess.com page load to finish. That was just the internal wait finish. No new info. I'm still waiting for you to start a bot game. Okay. We started. Okay, I can click. Is this running? Listen. Move. Okay, it is. Start. Oh, I wish I had it. Hold on. Let's see. Move E2 to E4. No, I messed up. Okay, cannot use my mouse. Move E2 to E4. Oh, that's where the calibration failed, I guess. Move E2 to E4. Did it crash? Move E2 to E4. I don't know why I'm getting closer to the mic. Yeah, there's something off. Let's restart. I am on a match right now. Do I still need to calibrate? Yeah, this is the very clunky method. I do want to check if the other one, like if the DOM manipulation works. No, not ambient noise calibration. No, I meant calibrate the script start chest. I need to calibrate the tile positions. I meant... the colon and skip navigation. Your match is untouched. Now it's now listening for voice commands. Go ahead and say... Okay, let me just see this. Voice commands works differently. Make move, use Selenium to find the actual... Okay, this is trying to find the element. Okay, let's see. Move E2 to E4. Move E2 to E4. Ah, what happened? Damn it. How about move E4 to E5? Sorry, no, how do you do? Move D2 to D4. Yeah, it's off. I think I'm stupid, Claude. It is using my mouse. No. Or the offsets, or is it just the offset? The click is a little offsetted and missing the click. I tried doing that. I think that's exactly what is being done right now. Yeah, I think that's exactly the situation. Like, we get the size of the canvas, and then we get the position of a single piece, and then do all the divisions and get an array with the coordinates. But I'm unsure how we're getting the coordinates, because there are different ways to get this. I'm trying to remember, because there are different APIs for how you get the screen positions. Because of the way Chromium works, you get like a screen position. There are relative positions to the screen canvas. Yes, so when you use the relative position, it actually it counts the toolbars in Chromium, and if I recall, that is the more what I struggled a little bit more, because even the relative one uses, you know, like just elements in on the home frame. Okay, what did you do? What did you do? Claudette. Roll top left position to the element's coordinate with no adjustment for the browsers. Yep, what I was saying, toolbar, tab height with no adjustments for Windows or DPI, but would both produce exactly the symptom. Close. Good. DP 96% means 100% scaling, so that's not it. Almost certainly the missing browser Chrome tab address bar height compensation. Yeah, that's what I mentioned. And then it... I implemented this code like 3 times in 3 different ways. All right. Move E2 to E4. Oh, let's go. We're playing. Move G1 to F3. I don't think I can stutter like that. Move G1 to F3. Move F1 to C4. Move F1 to C4. Oh. Can we beat the Cyclops? What is his name? Polyphemus. Move E1 to H6. Oh. No. Move E1 to H1. Move E1 to H1. Did it crash? No. It was like, did it crash? Not recognized as a command. Move E1 to H1. What's happening here? Move E1 to H1. Huh? It's giving me like a can't encode character error. No, I want a castle. I want to move the king on a castle. If you know what a castling is. No, in chess.com you need to drag the. Oh wait, maybe you need to drag. You can't just click. Oh, maybe this is not gonna work. So, to castle, you need to click and drag, like this. But this is not dragging, so I'm gonna need to do the different one to do the drag. Does it? Okay. I never tried like that, but I guess you may be right. Wow, I didn't know you played chess. Move E1 to G1. Today I'm learning. Thank you. I did not know you. I always castle by clicking and dragging. Just give me a free pawn. Move E4 to F5. Ah, the fuck? Move F1 to E1. This guy's probably free. Move F5. Oh, well. Move F5 to E6. Move F5 to E6. Okay. Move E6 to E7. Yes? Wait, what happened? Move E6 to E7. Sorry, move E6 to D7. Move E6 to D7. Move E6 to D7. Oh, finally. Okay, Cyclops, okay. Move C4 to B5. Move D2 to D4. Okay, I can move the horse, and I can do so much stuff. I can take that pawn, and then there's so much to be done. Okay, move move F3 to E5. Move F3 to E5. Move D1 to h5. Move d1 to h5. Move d1 to h5. Move h5 to e5. Okay, can I make this faster? Can take it, whatever. Move e5 to d6. Move e5 to d6. Move e5 to d6. Man, how am I gonna play against real players while cycling? Move c1 to f4. Looked up. Move e1 to e5. Thank you. Well, more protein. So, I have the move command mostly because, so, like, let's say if I'm like streaming, and then I can't just go and like just to make I had it just to make more explicit, and also to avoid certain mistakes. Like it can be very random for the model to just listen to things. So the way it's parsing the commands, it kind of maybe I'm talking shit. I don't remember all the reasons why I set up like this. But maybe I'll try some other stuff. Okay, so yeah, the move was also so I can have like different commands on the stream. Like it waits for the move keyword and then listens to the regex follow, so it tries to match. And also just regular chess notation is also kind of like variable, so at least I need to tell where it is. I also don't really know chess notation. Move b1 to c3. Move e5 to d5. Move a1 to e1. How can I mate the Cyclops, huh? Move d5 to f5. No, I messed up. Okay, my first blunder. I'm two. Move d4 to c5. Move d4 to c5. Move d4 to c5. Did I lose there? Have pay attention now. I don't know this UI. Oh, there's no... I can undo, but not review. Move G... No. Move b5 to c4. If I can't finish the Cyclops, I'm not gonna be able to do anything tomorrow. Move e1 to e5. Okay, I need to get that. Okay. Move g1 to f1. Move f1 to e2. Oh, move f1 to e1. Move f1 to e1. That's all perfectly what I wanted. Move e1 to d2. Move d2 to c2. Move e5 to d5. Move c5 to d6. Move c2 to b3. Move c3 to e4. Move b3 to a4. Move b3 to a4. Oh, okay. I'm not paying attention. Move a4 to a5. Yeah, but then he takes my bishop. He takes my priest. Yeah, he takes my priest. I know. I mean, I just need to, you know, I need to also be able to process this so I can play. Move a4 to a5. Hey, you lost 500 free points. Move a4 to a5. Move a4 to a5. And he didn't even take. Move a5 to b4. Move a4 to c3. Move a4 to c3. Move a4 to c3. What is happening? So it is identified. Oh, I'm just clicking wrong. Move b4 to c3. Am I saying the wrong? Move b4 to c3. Was it identifying as like me saying like b4? No, it was getting it. Move e5 to e6. Move c3 to c2. Move c4 to d3. No, that was e2, damn it. Move e6 to g6. Move e6 to g6. Move e6 to g6. Getting a bunch of weird encoding errors. Move e6 to g6. Move e6 to g6. Move e4 to g3. Wow. One thing. Move d3 to e2. Move d3 to e2. Is it gonna be able to escape on the g5 if I move the tower? Oh wait, okay. Move g3 to f5. This should be made. Move g3 to f5. No, I think it's made now. If I move that horse. Move g3 to f5. Damn it. Move g3 to f5. Oh, you're right. Damn it. You almost saved me. Move g6 to g4. Wait, that was a mate? Oh, the horse got the thing. Okay, I need a quick bathroom break. I'll be right back. Right, we're back. Back in black. Okay, we won. I won against a 250 elo Cyclops, so that's good? Question mark. No, I just need to do that on a much higher thing. Also, crazy news I just saw. Someone at Microsoft will offer either to get pipped or take severance and leave. And they have an ultimatum of 5 days to decide. Like, I don't know what to think about this. Like I guess that's a goodish thing? Kind of weird though. You're like, oh my god, you either can get pipped or I don't. Usually people used to be able to come back from pip at Microsoft, but I also heard that things have changed lately. Anyway, okay, so we played this match. This is working fairly well. Maybe let's test the other. Debug later. So this is working fairly well. There's a few issues. Yeah, we're gonna debug later. Let's shut that server and now test out the other version. I want to test out the other version and see what's the overall status. Like this one is the funky click. I think the other one I was trying to actually manipulate the DOM elements. And Claude said that that's the finicky one because chess.com can change the DOM and then it breaks. But that's fine, like if that ever happens we can update. It's not like it's a production or app or anything, as long as, you know, like works tomorrow. What do you mean I'm muted? I'm muted? Oh my god, you scared me. You missed my Microsoft layoff story. Okay. In the meantime, since getting laid off from Apple, I got a job for Microsoft and got laid off there as well. Oh, just kidding. So I was reading a story. Apparently, someone at Microsoft, they were offered either to get pipped or take severance and leave. Just like interesting, and I'm not sure how I feel about that. Okay, wait. It's waiting. I did open a tab on Edge. What do you mean checking if Edge is installed? Unfortunately, I cannot delete it from Windows. No, it's not hung. It's right there. Yeah, it's alive. Just took a bit longer. On the, yeah, I need to click on the top left. And the bottom right. I clicked. This is doing the calibration and it actually asked me to do the click. Okay, this actually sounds way more finicky than the other solution. Move E2 to E4. Move E2 to E4. Okay, this is technically also working, but I feel like it's a little more off. Move F1 to C4. Yeah, no, this is way more off. Let's close the process and let's stick to the other solution. Okay, actually this is way more finicky than... sorry for not answering you before. I had the Edge open over my chat. The other option was to get pipped. You know, get like performance improvement plan. Which kind of like, you know, like you're underperforming, and a lot of people say that it's hard to ever come out of it. It used to be different, but in this new landscape, they're often doing that to, you know, put people on the layoff block and slowly trim. All right, voice command is working. We have the Chrome setup. Ooh. We may need to improve things a little bit, but for now I'm gonna try to get it working from the GoPro, which I haven't used in forever. Oh, wait, what? Damn it. There's not enough power to power the GoPro. How isn't that enough power? What are you talking about? Like straight into the plug, and this should be say a 10 megabit. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab the power bank. Be right back. How did Bolo entertain everyone? What up, Bolo? I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm making you. Got a power bank. Power bank should be enough power. That's how I ran last time. Okay. Yeah, GoPro is on. Now I need to fix the streaming thing, and I need to get a server with the RTMP. Okay, now we need to set up the this part now, which is logistics. That's the boring part. Wait, is GoPro getting updated or something? Wait, did you already connect? Okay, yeah, everything's connected. That's good. Need to update firmware. Better is too low. I cannot update. Okay, it's letting me not update the firmware because there is no battery. How do I do the streaming stuff again? Oh, it literally has a live stream button. And I can technically live stream into from the GoPro straight to Twitch, but then it's not gonna stream into YouTube, and I don't. And then it would be harder for me to also process the audio. So it does need to go into the RTMP server. I mean, I could also just go straight into Twitch technically. And just for like trying out, and then figure out the RTMP tomorrow. Nah, let's do it all. I need the RTMP server. Okay, I need to remember I have two. I have this rebroadcast. Oof, I'm kind of scared of having some keys saved somewhere here. Okay, I cannot click on the wrong place. Okay. This one feels better. Or it looks more organized. Now I want to do the following. let's split it up in tasks. The goal is to stream from my GoPro into an RTMP server, then use that restream to feed into my OBS, which that doesn't really matter, but I need the canvas to feed into my OBS, and then use the audio from that GoPro restream in the voice commands. I'm going to host the RTMP server in my cloud provider, so let's have everything ready to be published there. That's funny because the ugly one, the ugly code is the one that has a claw.md. Well, the other one does not. Also, this is very simple code. I'm almost sure I just copied half of it from the internet. It should not matter which cloud provider will host the RTMP server. It should not matter. We will get there. GoPro native RTMP streaming, yes. Can I relate to my phone? GoPro connects locally to USB, capture a Wi-Fi to a device running software. I am curious about how that works with the phone, but I'm not gonna look into that now. Just the native streaming. The voice command. So yeah, virtual audio cable. That's the setup, which is very annoying. You add another audio stream, like a virtual audio device to the computer that will just stay there. That's the more correct. OBS play the restream locally, routed through a virtual device. Yes, voice commands listens to the virtual device as it's a microphone. Yes. Direct stream audio extraction. Have voice commands pull audio directly from the RTMP HLL stream itself, instead of any OS audio device. More robust, but requires new code in listener. Hey, let's give it a try. So I guess it would be potentially recording. I guess it would be recording the audio from the process or the canvas or however the source is going through, and then doing the extraction like that. Entering plan mode? No, just do it, Claudette. So I should have committed. I'm gonna at least stash those. Okay, what is it doing now? The repo, specifically source audio. Oof, maybe I should have clarified to maybe not break and have everything more in a proper container. Okay, in the meanwhile, in the background, I'm gonna be setting up the server, which I don't want to share because we're getting on my dashboard, and that would be very dangerous. Okay, then I can actually check from the stream, and damn it, I need glasses. Ugh. I can't believe I actually been needing glasses this much. VM instances, let's check what's happening here. It's still doing stuff, searching for classes. Okay. Thought I cleaned up my Google Cloud. Okay, what's up, Claudette? Ready to code. GoPro, Cloud RTMP, then OBS, then voice command audio. Yep. Decisions are already made with the user. GoPro streams natively in the relay architecture. GoPro push restream server. And we have live on the Cloud VM, OBS media source, RTM. Okay, so it'll be doing the extraction of the audio, from OBS, voice commands. No, never mind. FMP. Okay, I'm very curious on how it's doing this audio extraction. Restream server node. Node media. Restream server accept GoPro ingest. Okay, that's what I expected. Generalized deployment script. Yep, that's what I asked. Just so we can have it on the VM. Pull audio from the stream instead of the mic. There we go. Voice commands pull audio from the mic. New file stream source. And then the stream source will have the proper audio source matching the interface. We have all the sampler. This is very similar to what we did yesterday. Update listener. Revive voice commands. Okay, verification. Restream run locally. I mean, we're all, the grinder is always on. I don't know what you're talking about. Never stop grinding. I mean, I guess this time I'm at least using Claudette to help me. Yeah, had an interview today. They didn't just let us use Claude. I don't know if you can say we had a pretty decent budget for Claude, and we're motivated to use Claude. So my Claude Code game at Apple was pretty on top there. Spent a lot of time customizing it. Nah. Yeah, how can I talk about it without violating anything? No, they're experimenting. They're very open to it. Some teams are more motivated than others, and at least on mine, we're fully motivated to use Claude. Had a marketplace to share everything, and had a lot of validation methods. Today I'm using it mostly because I already had a lot of the projects that I'm doing ready, and I have my deadline for tomorrow, so I can play chess while cycling to this new K barbecue in town. Okay, yeah, we finished reading. Although we can't test this locally. Claude is telling me to do it locally, but push Iron team. Yeah, I can do it locally because I can stream from the GoPro here. Sorry. Oh no, maybe I can. Never mind. If it's on the same Wi-Fi. The interview was not the best. It was very interesting. So it was like a AI. Well, I was told it was an AI assisted interview, but the first it was funny because he opened, it was like an app. So there was like a React app that was ready. If you want to do a mock interview, if you want to hit me up, we can do a mock interview. So it wasn't actually fully AI assisted. Which kind of got me by surprise. Like once we launched the app, I got into the zone, and the first thing I did was already just ask the AI assistant, and then the guy kind of panicked and told me like, no, close it, because the first part he wanted me to actually fix a bug without using AI, and I did partially well. I think he was being very proactive in telling me stuff. So he was being very quick into just guiding me to go do. No, I don't know which models he had. It was on Replit. Yeah, and he also asked me to use the free one. And then after I solved the bug, then I had to implement 2 features with the AI assistance. And it did okay. I have no clue which model it was. It was on Replit. It was actually the first time that I had set it up. In the middle of the interview, I had to create the account and then validate my phone number. And I think I did mostly all right, but I mentioned it earlier on the stream. I kind of messed up by just blanking out and over-explaining UTC. Yeah, that was not the most smooth start, but the shitty part is that they always say like, oh, we're not gonna penalize you on time, but they still end they still end the interview on the time. Like there's never not penalizing. So that was very interesting. I definitely judging myself, like I would have I had potential red flags, but a lot of it was mostly just like communication, you know, explaining and not on the same page as the recruiter, which half of the time that's enough to disqualify. So it was my first interview since the layoff, not expecting much, doing okay. Okay, all 3 tasks from the plan are implemented. Deploy remote, set up remote. That doesn't matter. Run remote doesn't matter. Okay, listener, here you go. Oh, okay, we're getting the audio from the stream. That's cool. Maybe if that works better. Stream source. Okay, extracting the stream source. I always read this as senior microphone or senior microphone. Whoop. I don't think there was anything there, but I should not be opening any config. Wait, let me do a quick check. Hold on. Wait, what? Woo. Almost shared my Google Cloud stuff. Luckily, it didn't load. Okay. I'm just taking a look at some configs here, just to see what I have and what I don't have. Okay. We're Gucci. Alright, task 1, restream server. Documented the GoPro. Okay, so I should be able to run here if we're on the same Wi-Fi. Ooh, this GoPro is hot. Okay, cloud deployment script. Okay, task 1, we have the restream server. Cloud deployment script, added a script, setup remote, blah, 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 voice command, stream, okay. One caveat worth flagging. In stream mode, listener reconnects, spawns a fresh FFmpeg's process on every listen cycle. Same as mic. Fine for a physical mic, but it will add noticeable per command latency over a network stream. Yeah, of course, that's expected. But I have to play like 30-minute matches of chess. I left it as is per the plan. Yeah, matching existing calibration phase, but it's worth watching once you're testing again. Real cloud input. Happy to make connection persistent. Okay, yeah. Okay. Nothing here needed. An actual cloud VMware validate. Just set up remote already. Can we test it on localhost? I think I'm able to test it through Wi-Fi. No! Oh my god. Can you imagine Claude telling the stream my IP? I don't know. I think that could... I know I'm not famous enough to getting doxxed or anything, but we never know. It totally just... Oh no, okay, you just got the LAN IP. Whew. We're doing real cloud VM to test, since the GoPro and this PC are both on the same Wi-Fi. Is it on the Wi-Fi? Oh, it should be actually. Can run restream server right here and have the GoPro push to this machine. Yes. Okay, I do need to open my firewall. I'm gonna keep that open for a little bit. Wait. Okay. Yeah, I have a bug on my stream. It's not up. The font's not updating. I was trying to update the caller. Okay, it actually worked? Huh. Okay, I need to go over the stream stuff and fix my dashboard. Okay, we have the stream working. I think it's safe for me to get back into VS Code. Okay, I have all my LAN. Now I just need to set up the destination, setting up the stream. Just need to type some stuff. Type in the address. You baked 3? Thank you. Yeah, I'll do the dishes, don't worry. 9-3. But okay, I think I can. Holy shit, the camera is hot. Okay, I think it's live. Okay, camera is live. Okay, now let's try to get the camera. I think it's all safe. I don't have any actual IP here. It's all just localhost. Okay, should be live now. I do wonder if this is, I guess, streaming like this part of like programming. That's the boring part, right? Like just there's not much here. I can't share what I'm doing and no result. We're just doing logistics. The GoPro is connected. The stream is live on the server. Now let's verify. Wait. How can I watch it? OBS pool first. I add an OBS media source pointing at. Okay, let me try adding the OBS. Wait, what's happening? Wait, why are you? Wait, what's happened to OBS? It's not letting me. No. What is happening? Can I not add a new source in OBS while streaming? I should be able to. I'm pretty sure I've done this before, but what is happening here? No. Oh my god, okay. Okay, it is live, but I cannot edit things. I don't know this. Okay. We're streaming. That was I'm unsure what's happening here. OBS not letting me add the new source. But we were successfully streaming into OBS. OBS media source, already did. Voice commands audio for set audio stream. Yep. I'll set up OBS myself. Damn it. Why is OBS bugging on me right now?
We're streaming.
Okay, I got
that
it.
was
We have me on the present and me
we have me
on the
on the
past.
present and me
Oh my god.
on the past. Oh my god.
And the audio probably killing anyone watching. Wait, I'm so sorry. I want to test out the audio. Can you hear? Can you hear the audio from the GoPro? Oh, you're not getting the. Oh, you're not getting the. You're not getting the audio like. You're not getting the audio like. Happening after. Happening after. Yeah. Okay. Now I did. Now I got it off. I have. I don't know how long the GoPro is delayed. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, it's not that bad. Okay, it's only like a second or two. I mean, we're on the same Wi-Fi, so. Trying to see if there's anything on that camera there that looks sus. Okay. Okay, we have the GoPro streaming. The GoPro is on OBS. Now Claude is trying to set up the audio extraction. Oh, is it working? Move E2 to E4. Okay, I also need to probably set up the Wi-Fi microphone so we can have wind and stuff. Okay, it's recognizing. Okay, config ML has HLS temporarily disabled for this Windows test. Real cloud deploy target is Linux, where it works fine. Reverted back to enable now. Wait, why do we need to revert? Set HLS enable back to true in restream config so the repo stays correct for the event. Okay. Oh, for a moment I got scared, and I thought maybe maybe OBS was streaming my audio. Okay, revert back stays correct for the eventual Linux cloud deploy. Keep HLS disabled for now. Oh yeah, we'll leave it for now because we need to test the chess. Summary of what's confirmed work. Let me know. Okay. to end if the voice commands working from the GoPro. We still have. Oh no! I need to get like rematch, or I need to get like a. Oh no! I don't need to. Never mind. I don't need that because I can start from the phone. Yeah. All I need to do is start from the phone. Okay. Let's run a test. Testing. Okay, could not. Oh, is it because I? Is it because I removed the volume? Is it taken from OBS? Remove the volume. Is it taken from OBS? I'm gonna mute the microphone, and now the audio is gonna come from the camera, from the GoPro. Okay, this may look bad. I'm gonna remove the music. Probably the fan is also messing everything up. Okay, we're getting there. Move D2 to D4. Oh no, it's not. Ah. I wanted to walk away and test out from the phone. Move C1 to F4. 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 It's failing to get the 4. It's only really like a C1 to F. Move C1 to F4. Why is it struggling with F4? Move C1 to F4. Okay, oh. Move B1 to C3. Move B1 to C3. Move B1 to C3. Move B1 to C3. Oh. Is it because of like is there too much noise? I mean, it's a good test. Move C1 to E3. Move C1 to E3. Okay, is it because of the noise? So move B1 to C3. Okay. Maybe I'm gonna need to set up the microphone. I don't know how. Oh, it needs to be Bluetooth. Move B1 to C3. Move B1 to C3. That's bad. Move B1 to C3. Move B1 to C3. Okay, that's close to a failure. I'd call it. Okay. I tested and everything is mostly working. But the listener seems to struggle sometimes with the the second number on the command. Also, can you maybe increase the polling window to make it more precise? So what I'm thinking is maybe it's like the regex is being executed too fast, and then it's often cutting. I forgot if this is waiting for silence. Like I forgot what's the method happening here. or either if it's waiting for silence or if there's a polling screen. Okay, pause threshold from default 8 seconds to 1.2 seconds. Okay, let's give it a try. Gonna mute myself again here. Move B1 to C3. Move B1 to C3. Wait, did it work? Hold on, pulling up the shell to see. Okay, we got one up. Move D1 to D2. Move D1 to D2. Move D1 to D2. Move D1 to D2. Oh, it's capturing, like, when I say D1, it's capturing, do you want? I wonder if there's a pronunciation or accent problem here. Move D1 to D2. Move D1 to D2. It is struggling with D1. Move D1 to D2. Maybe I can fix it. Maybe I can, I'm thinking of changing. So in case it captures the move, but it's missing the parameters, this time it's trying to get the full regex. My ball is just such a black blob. Okay. Move D1 to D2. Okay, I have a plan. So right now it's trying to get the full regex. So instead of trying to do it all at once, if we capture the move part, then like if he gets like partial commands, then we can maybe execute the rest. Okay, we're back here. Okay, I'm having issues with comments getting cut or having undetermined results. Let's improve the move command flow. I want to be able to capture partial commands until it matches a valid position. For example, I want to be able to say move, it'll start and wait for the next commands, then say E2, pause, then say to E4 or just E4. Same if we capture move E2 and fail to determine the second part. This the second parameter. I need to keep listening for the tile. And also add a reset command in case I say reset. This will get out of the move state. Okay, let's see if Sonnet can handle this. Man, I'm not like having this. Okay, yeah, it'll basically be a like a finite state machine for the commands. Oof. Let's hope it doesn't break, because we're so close to get this working. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go grab some water. Some D water. It will be back. Okay, what's Claudette doing? All right, let's test. Move. Wait, oh, are we getting that? I'm switching again to the GoPro. Move D1 to D2. Move D1 D2. Oh, you got it wrong. Reset. Move D1 and D2. Oh, I think it's giving me an error here. Reset. Move D1 D2. Okay, this time it worked. Move E1 C1. C1. Reset. Move E1 to C1. We cancel. Let's go. Oh my god, the audio on the stream must be so bad. Move C3 B5. B5. Move move C3 B5. Okay, if we say it very slowly, maybe there's more confidence. It seems like there's way more confidence. Move D4 C5. I was completely wrong, I guess. Move D4 C5. 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 Why is it complaining? It's complaining about. Okay, we can review that in a bit.
C5. C5. Reset. Move. D4. C5. Move. D4. C5. Oof. That is not smooth at all. Move. B5. C7. B5. B5. C7. B5. It's getting a character map codec can't encode. B5. Move. Move. B5. B5. Okay, it's giving me errors that need to be solved. Okay, we're back here. Now it should be live. Back at the bottom. We're getting multiple errors like this. So character map can't encode character in position 0. Character maps to undefined. This is a Windows console encoding issue. Print statements can't be encoded by the default code page, and since that exception gets thrown inside, it masked whatever the actual move error was. Let's strip the emoji out. Oh. But why is it not? Okay, back to testing. Move. B5. C7. B5. 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 Move. B5. C7. B5. B5. C7. Okay, that kind of worked. Move. C7. A8. Move C7 to A8. Oh, crashed. A8. It didn't crash, it just it gave me a bad error. A8. Or did he crash? Move. Okay, bad crash. There's an error thrown. Take a look at that. Oh boy. Real life debugging right here. Okay, fine. In the log line, Google mistranscribed E8 as 88. Okay. Accepts any word characters without validating it's an actual chess square. Yeah. How did you mess up this bad, Claudette? With computed garbage class and crashed Selena's elemental lookup with big stack trace. 2 fixes validate source. Okay, rerunning. Wait, are you listening to? Oh. Okay, I don't need to set up the I don't need to change the source. We can stay here. Let's get back to it. Move C7 to A8. 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 Oh, it's struggling with that square. Damn it. A8. Reset.
Move c7 to a8. Oh. Move c7 a8. A8. Okay, let me try. I'll try something else. I'll fumble. B5. No. Okay. Move B5 C7. Move B5 C7. Move Damn, it's really struggling. Move B5 to C7. C7. It had captured like two. Oh. Move C7 A8. Move C7 to A8. A8. Okay, I may need to use a microphone. It was definitely working not too bad with my mic and compression and all of that. Okay. This is the time when I should call it, and I can kind of like fix the setup in the morning. Should I do that? The gut is mostly working.
Maybe I can try making like a short and post it. See if people would show up to the stream. What should I do, Bolo? Oh. To pet you? Okay, let's stop. Let's finish this game. Let's beat Polyphemus. Polyphemus? I did not watch the Odyssey. How do you pronounce the Cyclops name? Come here. Sure, I mean, take... What? Take my knight, buddy. I don't know what you want with that. The heck is it doing? Or did he just save? Or was he just trying to save the queen? Yeah, take it. Yo, Captain Yummy 404? Captain Yummy is very yummy. I don't know if you're watching before. I may be weird because I'm just playing chess. I'm just calling it a night. I also know who Captain Yummy is. Though I haven't watched Black Clover in forever. I'm just finishing here. We got it mostly working, but we're struggling with noise on the... like I said, a little outdated, but... So I was able to play with commands. It mostly works. Like I was playing chess with my voice. But then when I connected to the GoPro... I don't know if it's static or the voice recognition gets way worse. What? What? Okay, wait, checkmate the Cyclops. Yeah, we got it mostly working for tomorrow for the chess cycling. But I need to connect. I need to try out with microphone. Because it wasn't working too well with the GoPro audio and then it was getting stuck. Since I got laid off, I'm trying to do it daily. I used to be more casual. I have a few stream. I'm finally getting over my list of streams that I wanted to do. Like if you go back on my profile, you can see my Hades cycling. I'm trying to do a chess cycling challenge, and for that I need to be able to play with my voice. So I'm getting that out of the way. So I'll be streaming tomorrow at 1. Yeah, I mean, I'm taking it easy for now. I mean, just having big tech on... I have a decent resume, but nowadays just having, big tech on the resume doesn't help much. There's so many layoffs that have happened. Wait, no, I didn't want to play against the Cyclops. How do You can give me your money by subscribing, and then you can pimp your cat. And well, you get an extra free pin, which I think you have plenty. And sorry, Captain. Well, I wasn't at Apple for that long. It was close to 3 years. I do have over 10 years of experience. I joined Apple when Apple Intelligence was announced. Wait, what? I need to pay? Oh, I need to sign up. Yeah, I had joined Apple right when Apple Intelligence was announced, and then now we're shipping. Got the first layoffs, and I was part of it. Also had an interview at a startup today. It was an AI-assisted interview. It was very interesting. I kind of like underused AI. But yeah, I'll be streaming daily, or try as much daily as I can. I'm trying to make some entertaining stuff like tomorrow. My goal is at 1 p.m. I plan to start cycling on my way to a Korean barbecue place. And then yeah. And I'll be playing chess with my voice. Or attempting to do that. And thanks for the follow. If you follow me, you can get a kitty. Like this one. Wait, here. I'll take. Now the queen's getting attacked. If it attacks, that would be a trade. If I move it here, it takes the queen. Also, this is not a chess stream. This was a coding stream, and now I'm just kind of like warming up. But if you follow me now, you can type the command, "Where's my kitty?" and then describe your kitty and a name, and you get a kitty. Like me. That is one of the best ones. Oh wait, there's a bug there. Oh, there's a bug on the message. I can write this. A cat. Describe a cat and the name. There, I need to write it down. There's a bug on the pimped cat. I need to fix. I was messing with my stream dashboard, and then I think I messed up a handful of things. Okay, if I stay here, I can attack both the knight and protect my... Nice. Okay, I can do this, but that's not too much. Oh no, that's not really check or anything. If I could get that this pawn, that would be fine. That would be a good move. Or I can just threaten the queen by moving here. If I move there, my bishop will be hanging. Yeah, then it can just... No, I can protect the bishop. I think it's fine. And hopefully after tomorrow, if everything works well on the chess cycling / barbecue crave, I do want to play Mortal Shell or just at least something a little bit more for fun. Or maybe some other challenge with it. Okay, actually now I don't have a lot of tools. Oh. Ooh. Not on the best position. If I go here, it takes my bishop. Maybe that was not the best move. I need to unlock my other pieces. I could sacrifice. I did... Oh, what did I do? Oh, wait. That's not what I want. I did hear that apparently you couldn't sub with Prime previously. Through the app. But I remember... Oh my god, I'm choking so hard. Holy shit. I got distracted and just threw this match. I was doing well against the bot and then I just threw. Okay, so... I need to set up the RTMP server, and I need to do like a test with the microphones to see if it's even better. I mean, where the heck am I gonna put the GoPro? Oh. Holy shit, it's hot. Ah! Holy fuck. It's burning my hand. How can I discreetly show Bolo? I know. Pet camp. I don't have any way to have it right now. Maybe we have this cat cam more in the future, but oh well, I'm trying. I'll figure that out another time. Okay, so I need to set up the server, test out with the Bluetooth mic instead of using the GoPro audio. It would be nice. One of the problems that I was having was the command validation too. Like some tiles like A8 or B4, it was almost impossible to get the audio model to identify things properly. Is there other notation that I can do like a 1, 2, I don't know what number, but then I would have to do math on my brain. Anyone has any suggestions on some notation that I can do for the chess? I'm thinking like, I could do like 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can do like some multiple like this, but then that would be like 8. That would be kind of insane. Does Claude has any suggestion? Let's see. Do not change any code. Do you have any suggestion on how to have better command capture? Certain squares such as B4 read as B4 or A8 reads as 88. What other? Like actual chess notation? So why is my second keyboard flickering? My second monitor. Chess notation would. I don't think it would work. I don't even know chess notation. Trompovsky attack. A few options, roughly in order of effort. No code change, just what you say. Try this first. Google's free STT confuses B4 with B4 and A8 with 88 because raw letter and digit pairs sound like common English words, yes. Switching up the NATO phonetic... Oh! Using NATO phonetic alphabet? Avoid collision entirely. Say Bravo instead of Bravo 4. Instead of Alpha 8 instead of A8. Yeah, I can also just add as a second option for now. Or extract square, regex today, so it only helps once paired with a code change to map NATO words. But it's worth testing by year first. Okay, a deliberate pause between the letter and the. Then we, it's already too finicky. Adding pauses is not good. Actually, I don't think it's tolerant now because it's gonna be listening to a window. So if I just say B and then wait, it's not gonna capture. So this option doesn't work. A small code change. A lookup table when you're ready. A homophone correction dictionary. It's not always that, but. Bigger fix. Constrained vocabulary instead of general purpose STT. Yeah. I don't think I can have it ready for tomorrow. The real root cause is that Google's general purpose recognizer is guessing from the entire English language when it only needs to output one of the 80 possible tokens. A grammar constrained local recognizer. I'm almost sure I tried Vosk and it was so freaking annoying because had to set up the binaries, and then that would be on Windows. And I do not remember, but I remember being a pain. Wait, which this repo already used this in voice engine. This may be the one that was a pain, or maybe it is set up, who knows. Can be restricted to exactly that vocabulary. Before and 88, literally guaranteed the output space. So, okay, so yeah, this is just a constrained model. Also worth trying once you're comparing mic setups. Whisper-based recognition tends to be noticeably better than Google's. Free API at short. Clipped utterances in noisy, no vocabulary constraint. But the problem with Whisper, I think, does Whisper work in real time? I thought a Whisper needed to be batch processed, but generally stronger baseline accuracy. If you're in mid mic setup, no, I'm not in the mid mic setup anymore. I can add the NATO alphabet regardless. And add the NATO alphabet for now. Also keep the plain letters. Then we will try out the other options, such as using Vosk or Whisper. Hey, Claudette was kind of, yeah, the NATO alphabet idea was not bad. Why did you not give me that idea, Bolo? I'm also very worried about like wind. I think these microphones are supposed to be good, pretty decent on cutting wind. Yeah, I'll set all of that in the morning. Let's close up the stream for tonight. I wanted to have finished it a little earlier, and I mean, everything is working, just not working well. And then the Google Cloud setup that I was doing, I don't need to do it on stream. We can still try, give it another try. Start the server for another test. It should be connecting. There's 3 shells running. That's something. Okay, there we go. Something was off. Okay, no chance that we're winning this, so let's just give it a try. Also, I don't know the NATO alphabet. What is G? Move G5 to C1. Move G5 C1. Move. Oh, also the camera. Move. Move. It's just giving me errors now. Could not understand. Could be the fan. Testing, bolo. Move G5 C1. Is G gamma? Golf to Charlie. Move golf 1. No. Move golf 5 to Charlie 1. Oh my god, it read as like Charlie 1. Like it spelled out 1. Golf 5. Charlie 1. Charlie 1. Charlie 1. One. One. Reset. Move golf 5. Charlie 1. Golf 5. Now it's, for some reason, it's freaking spelling out golf 5. Why the heck did it decide to do that? Feel so bad for leaving on such a low note, but I have to. Now the model decided to spell out numbers. I need to map those as well. Also, GoPro kinda not doing too hot. It's, I mean, it is doing way too hot. Okay, it's restarting. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to make like a short to post on YouTube. Just like a quick one. And then maybe record something to announce my attempt tomorrow. Okay. Reset. Move golf 5.
Charlie 1. Move. How can you not understand? Damn it. And how? Okay. Move golf 5 to Charlie 1. It worked! Move delta 1 to E. Oh, distracted me. Ah, damn it. It's burning my fingers. Oh. Move delta 1 to E1. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna get mated. Move Charlie 1 to Delta 2. Move Charlie 1 to Delta 2. Okay, this is definitely a big improvement. Enough of kitty cam. Oh, did you guys not see the me getting checkmated? I'm sorry. Bring this up. Okay, let's just finish this a little bit. Looking better for now. What are the other options that is suggested to try out? Switching to Voskin Whisper. Whoa. Oh, some weird noise here. Okay, I do use Whisper on some other. We're not gonna be over Wi-Fi. This alone might fix a chunk of what's left. No grammar constraints, so you can still mishear the foreign prints, but empirically it tends to do much better for short command. Okay. Just commit things for now. For now. Okay, yeah, let's just commit things for now, and then I can pick it up later.
Okay. So, by myself, I still need to set up the cloud restream server for the technically like RL stream. Wait, what? Two files currently hold session specific test state, not saying revert these two tests, only settings back to their real defaults before committing. Oh, okay. No, the default source should be stream. No, yeah, that's good. That's okay. Just let's commit as. Wait, what? No, yeah, we are committing as is, so we are ready for. Also, this is one of the things that I'm ashamed. Asking Claude to commit for me. I do it every day, and I feel ashamed of doing that. Okay, while it does, this should be it for today. Let me try recording a quick clip. I'm gonna pretend that I'm using audio just for this clip. I'm sorry. So be okay. Move D2 to D4. Move C1 to C4. Ugh, wrong. That's not gonna work. I'll do it enough. Let's see if we can beat Sven, and then we can close the night with that. That's totally fine. Okay, protected. Good moves, Sven. Good moves. Do you want to trade? That was not a... I lost some tempo here. I lost some very valuable tempo. Oh, okay. Oh, you want to attack me? You want to attack? Hold on. This should be safe. Okay, feel like it's doing something here that I'm not predicting properly. My queen is definitely... Is my queen dead? If it moves the tower here... Not fully dead. Whatever. Oh, it got scared, huh? Yeah, I really need to get my queen like hell out of there. Am I missing a checkmate? Is he running away? Did I have a way to do something? Why is he running so much? What? Okay. It's safe there. I can attack here. I can get that. Oof. Okay. I wanted to have my queen here. Oh, it's protecting. So I could really get his queen. I need to get my towers in action. Waste. That queen's too isolated. Ooh. Okay, I can either defend or attack. I should be somewhat safe, depending on the position that he wants to go. I don't want to think at this point. If I move it here, and again, if I move here. That's what I figured. I think he can just trap me. Yeah. Oof, I really need to make do with what I have. I can kind of protect it here. If I move it there, I'll protect the queen. The queen can still attack through here. And then my other hook also gets in trouble. This would be just a silly attack, not doing much. I'll gain some time. It has to move there. I can at least move my queen there for defense, but let's do this. It's going to probably move it. That's not what I expected. Oh, we can take that. And then I got fucked. Okay, started well and then I let it go. Alright, chat. That's it for tonight. I'll finish setting up things for tomorrow. My goal is to leave between 12:30 and 1. That's when I'll start streaming, so I'll get on the bike. I do need to not leave from home, so I'll be cycling a little early and then have things set up while I still have people at home to help me. with the setup. So yeah, around 12:30 to 1 p.m. will be my goal to go live. I'll be on the camera, and hopefully the setup will work. So either I'll be playing chess while cycling, or I'll just have a good cycling day and IRL stream. Yeah. Thanks everyone. Another day again. Having plenty of fun here. Ciao everyone. Say bye, Bolo. Bye.